Hey folks, Dave here with creebeaterstv. Thanks for joining us this week. This week what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of prep work for this summer's outings of off-roading. Meaning I have a 2013 RZR. The air intake is all cracked up, so we're going to do a little bit of plastic welding, and we're going to show how to do that, and maybe we can all learn something together. We're using a Harbor Freight plastic welder, and they're pretty awesome. I hope it works as good as the videos that I've seen. But I'll tell you what, man, let's just go ahead. Come on, guys, let's get to this.
Creek Beaters TV, made possible by Butch and Cheryl King, Justin Hobbs Studio, Falcon Hooks, Basscasters USA, Titan Tungsten, Pulse Fish Lures, and PathfinderOutfitters.com. And once the hole's plugged, you just feather it down a little bit, and that should be waterproof and ready to roll. All right. Now this, I plan on getting worn to try and make it malleable. That's my hopes. If not, then it'll go in like it is, I think I'll just go ahead and start here and come out with it and just cover up what I can with the filler material. Let that cool a little bit out here. I use the iron to cut this material like that. I'll try to feather this in. Let that cool. We'll take a look at this. That's a welded hole. Should be good until the next bump. Now this is an air box. This is the air box for my RZR. Getting ready for this season. You know, I'll take you through this. We'll go ahead and work on this. See, I still got you in frame there. Yep. Okay, so you get the bottom hot. You get your base material hot, like that. Try not to melt this cord. See, this isn't really important on how it looks right now. I'll smooth it out when I get it done. Okay, see if I can cut that off. Now this is probably the best plastic welder I've found. And it's a Harbor Freight little $16 welder. As you can see, you just get it hot, feather it into the other material. And I got fenders to do on the RZR, as well as any other broken plastic that I get into. Now with this iron, once everything's good and hot, let's go through and smooth it out. I'm gonna let you see this corner fixed, and then we're gonna call this a video. Oh, there you go. There's now, get this hot. This is going to be a little more of a challenge because it's rounded, but I don't suspect it to be much of a challenge. So you saw I did that. I got the base hot, then I heated the strip up, the repair strip, just set them in there and let them join, and now I'll come back here and cut this off with this iron. I'll join them all together and smooth them out. Call it repaired. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so now for the smoothing out. Get this good hot and melted, then we'll be able to smooth it down a little bit more. And on this intake box, this is the biggest corner I got to do. It's probably the most work I have to do because it was deformed as well as cracked. So don't be afraid to get it good and hot. Once it's hot, try to feather it out. That is sealed completely now. And that's how you weld plastic. It's using a $16 Harbor Freight plastic welder. This is the one we did first. So there you go, guys. That's going to be this week's video.
Well, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. It's a pretty cool thing, man. It worked out really nice. I like that. I can't tell you how many times in the past that I've needed that and haven't had it. But it's a $16 flat iron, basically, that you can weld plastic with, and we're going to put it to the test this year and see how it works. So thanks for joining us here this week. Sorry, there's people screaming and yelling. It's a beautiful day out. We're going to put it to the test this year to see how it holds up. And again, thanks for joining us this week, guys. We'll see you next week. Maybe we can hang out with some of my buddies. So until then, we'll see you.
What are you talking about? Creek Beaters TV? That's awesome.